Okay, we got the 75 Pontiac Grand Prix at the Tuneup hill. This is the LJ 455 turbo 400, really tall rear end, 256 to 1 I think it is. So it's like it's a highway cruiser. It's not very good off the line. So remember, this is if you've watched the other videos, check out the other ones. I'll put some links up, or you can just search my channel, subscribe. And I've done this with a bunch of different cars. I like to do it with all my cars just to get a kind of a baseline where they're at. If not to compare them to each other, just to compare them to themselves if I do any mods or if things aren't running right. So, this test, let's buckle up here first. This test starts at that deer sign, right? And it goes down to that T intersection down there. And we just record the speed. It's 300 yards almost exactly from the deer sign to the T intersection. So it's a 1/6 of a mile. Like I said, a car like this with the tall rear end isn't going to do great, but I just want to see what it'll do. All right, let's go. So we stop here, and then we go. Full throttle again, bogs off the line. It was about 80 miles an hour through that intersection. That's more than I thought it would be. Yeah, according to the speedometer, which is accurate to GPS from what I can tell. I've checked it, so I think it was just under 80, call it 79, 80 miles an hour, 300 yards, slightly downhill, which isn't too bad. Some of my other vehicles have been slower than that. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Check out some of those other videos. And thanks for checking out this 75 Pontiac Grand Prix. Really tall gearing. Like I said, I'm going 50 miles an hour here now. It's 50, right? And we're turning like 1600 RPM. So at highway speeds, I mean, we can get it up to 60 miles an hour. It's, what's that? Like 2,000 RPM at 60 miles an hour. It's not too bad. 3-speed automatic turbo 400. Third gear. Shifts into third, just about 90. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.